In this video, I will talk about a few display elements that are frequently used when developing web applications with the Python Streamlit library. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. I open a terminal to launch the web application. I select the command prompt option. I go to the Ven folder. You can start the web application by typing this code. I go to this address in any browser. We learned how to create these objects in the previous lesson. Now let's make examples on different elements. I delete other markdown objects except emoji. I will use the metric function. I send label, value, and delta values to the metric function. It can be green or red depending on the delta value. If positive, the delta will appear in green. Now let's learn how to add tables. I need the pandas library. You can close the web application by pressing the Ctrl and C keys simultaneously. You can transfer the pandas library by writing this code. The web application is currently not working. You can start the web application by typing this code. I am importing the pandas library. I am creating a variable. I will create a data containing 2 columns. I add 5 data to each column. I send the variable to the table function. I added the table to the web page. Data frame is the most used table type. I send the table variable to the data frame function. The difference from the table is that sorting operations can also be done on the table. In this video, we learned how to use tables and metrics. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.